welcome back to La Petite Kitchen. I hope you're enjoying our videos. Sorry, got a little senior moment there. I hope you're enjoying our videos and hitting the subscribe button and then visiting our site to find links to all the little kitchen gadgets that we use here in my little kitchen. Today we're going to make healthy brownies, and you want to say, how can brownies be healthy? They're decadent and sweet and fudgy. Well, the kind folks at Kellogg's have this cereal. It's called All-Bran, and their kitchens have provided an amazing recipe for very delicious brownies on the back. Now they want you to bake these brownies at 350 for 30 minutes. We are going to show you how to make your brownies in an air fryer and make them in just 15 minutes. So we're going to use their recipe and our air fryer, and we're going to have our wonderful brownies in just 15 minutes. Now, when you're using an air fryer, it's important to preheat it. So you preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes at whatever temperature you're going to be cooking at. Today it's going to be 350. So we're going to start out with 2 eggs, which I already have in my bowl here, and you have to whip them until they're light and fluffy. Okay, so our eggs are whipped up nice and fluffy. We're going to next add 1 cup of sugar and whip that with the eggs until it is light and fluffier. Here we go. Okay, there we have light fluffy eggs and sugar mixture. The next thing, let's get rid of this. We no longer need our mixer. The next thing we're going to do is fold in our bran cereal. I have 1/2 cup of the Kellogg All-Bran cereal there. I'm going to fold that into our egg and sugar mixture. Like that. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I have 1/2 cup of melted and cooled butter here, which we're going to also add. And fold that all in very nicely. There we go. That's all combined nicely. All right, now in this, my old Tupperware container here, which I've had since the 70s sometime, I have combined here 2/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we are going to gradually add that to our, and we're going to just fold it all in until it's all moistened there. Now, don't whip together brownie ingredients. You like them to be a little lumpy. Scrape the sides of the bowl really well. This batter is so light and fluffy. There we go. And then we're going to add a cup of chopped walnuts. Perfect. All right, so Now we have our batter all mixed up, and I have my little silicone muffin tins here. They're not really tins, they're silicone. I use these a lot in my air fryer, and I have greased them with my Old Faithful Crisco. And I'm going to use my cookie scoop here and put a cookie scoop of batter in each of our little muffin spots there. Just like that. And we're going to take our slow cooker. Now we are going to, our air fryer for 350 for 15 minutes. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes and our brownies are done cooking, so we can take them out of the air fryer. Now remember, your air fryer is very hot, right? And here we have our little silicone tray with the brownies in them. That silicone tray I found is also very hot. So I scoop them out like this. There we go. And put that aside to cool. Now, to get the brownies out of the silicone tray, once they're cooled, you just pull a little bit like that to loosen them up on the side and push from the bottom. There you go. We have a perfect little bite-sized brownie. They're little air fryer brownie bites. See how nice they come out? And these are dishwasher safe, so you'll be able to throw them in the dishwasher. And we're done. Bon appetit. And remember to subscribe and check out our videos for our little kitchen gadgets here. And enjoy your brownies. They're delicious.